A little garden tour before the storm. Where there once was garlic, now we've got herbs. In the kiddie pools, there's an Earthbox with mint. And then, let me step back. Check out how the garden has grown in my string trellis system. Oh, a little dark. Here we go. So we've got bell peppers, and I planted a lot of borage, marigolds, basils, and oregano, and some thyme. Here's my donate. And we've got under here, this is red bell pepper somewhere. There you go. They haven't turned red yet. They're still growing. And look, you see the eggplants? Yum. They make fina'denne. So this year I planted cat mint. And that's this flower here to keep the flea beetles away. There's a better view of the cat mint. And they have worked because my eggplants are healthy this year. We'll come around this side. Got borage, little mini pumpkins. I have 3 total eggplant plants. Someone's mowing. Jalapenos. Look at this eggplant growing there. More jalapeno. It's gonna storm. The pollinators, bees, and such love the borage. Lots of marigolds and green onions to help kind of control the pests. And giant basil leaves. So we've still got the batting cage up. I think we'll come this way. I had to cut out 12 tomato plants because they got diseased. Well, this year I put in a little bit of fertilizer other than bone meal and blood meal, and I think it damaged the plants, which made them more susceptible to disease. Well, look at that. It's about to storm. I think one of the things I love about the string trellis is that when the wind blows the plants, there's very minimal damage. Can you hear the thunder? In addition to someone mowing, let's see if we can get this done. I've got watermelon in here too. I wanted to try it in the kiddie pool. And the bees love the lavender and the marigolds. This is Japanese purple sweet potato, murasaki potatoes, and the baby rabbits this year came in through my fencing, so I got to put chicken wire at the base of the fencing. Last year wasn't a problem. The cool thing about sweet potatoes is that they're pretty resilient and the leaves will grow back. Last year I planted the sweet potatoes in July. The rabbits did eat them before I had the fencing. We put up the fencing and it was all right. So I thought once the leaves were mature, the rabbits would leave them alone, but no luck. Oh, I can feel the rain. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell. Holy cow. Only one blueberry bush survived. I better go in. There's the strawberries. They're wild or alpine strawberries, and they're doing good, but oh, look at that. I'm always out here on the verge of a storm Or is it that North Carolina is always storming in the summer? Well, plants love the rain, and hopefully my plants will not fall the barrage. We'll see. Well, it's starting to sprinkle. Good luck, everybody.